Okay, Mom, here is one way to rock the dinner routine. Learn this quick and easy recipe for basil grilled chicken and creamy gnocchi. No more needs to be said.
No, it's just fun to say that word, isn't it?
No more needs to be said. Wendy
Gnocchi.
Paul is joining me, and she claims she has gnocchi in the pantry at all times, which I think could be an odd ingredient, actually.
It is truth, though. Okay, so I just thought one day I'd branch out, you know, pasta. We love pasta. We love doing, like, Italian night. And I thought, I like gnocchi.
Yeah.
Why not try it on my kids? And they love it.
I mean, we love it at Olive Garden, but you literally have it in your home?
I have it in my home, in my pantry. So there's a couple kinds you can get. You can get this kind where it's just like, buy all the pasta.
Okay.
Okay? So you just keep it in your pantry. You don't have to refrigerate it. Don't have to...
Oh, see, I thought it had to be refrigerated.
No, this kind you don't.
Okay.
So there's different brands you can get. You can also get fresh pasta, fresh gnocchi too. So I've seen that as well. You can also get frozen. But this I like because I literally put it in my pantry next to my rice packets and my potatoes, and it's always there.
I love that it's a staple
always
for
there.
you.
Yeah, always there.
Okay.
So this is like a fun take on, let's do like a really nice Italian dinner, but make sure the kids will eat it. Make sure it's got some veggies in it, so it's a little bit healthier. And then I reduce the amount of cream because you really don't need that much cream in there to get the creamy texture that you want.
We don't need it.
Well, you don't need it because we're trying to eat just a little bit healthier, right? Just a little bit healthier. Okay, so I've got some yummy onions and mushrooms going. Okay. And look at all those delicious brown bits of goodness on the bottom.
Looking good.
So that's what you want. You want to just, you know, bring some onions, mushrooms to saute in some olive oil.
Okay.
And then you're going to add some zucchini.
Okay.
Okay, because, you know, if you're like me, you've got a ton of zucchini.
You're one of those neighbors,
Yeah,
huh?
I'm one of those
You're gonna
neighbors.
start sneaking it on others' porches?
I haven't done that yet, but I might. Depends on how the rest of the summer goes. So we're just going to add some zucchini. Now, if you're not a fan of zucchini, you could do broccoli, you could do asparagus, you could do even some sweet potato in there, like just to add some sweet potato.
Any veggie you got.
Any veggie you got. So really clean out the fridge. What do you have on hand you need to use? It could go in this recipe.
Why we love her. This is the kind of cooking we need, right?
Yeah,
in a
just
pinch.
easy peasy. Use what you have.
Yep.
Okay, it doesn't have to be hugely gourmet. All right, we're gonna add some flavoring. So a little bit of nutmeg.
Okay, nutmeg, huh?
Well, I like nutmeg with my cream sauces with my pasta.
Okay.
You don't have to add it, but I like to add it. A little bit of garlic.
Yum.
Okay. And not a lot because you want, you know, all the flavors to come together. You don't want something to be completely overpowering, okay? We're also gonna add some kosher salt. I'm just guessing, all right? Stir this together.
More like this. A pinch of this, a
pinch of that, dash of this.
Pass the nutmeg.
I will have the recipe on the website so that you guys don't have to guess like I do. It'll be exact so you can follow measurements,
That's what I need.
Okay? All right, so with zucchini, here's a tip. Don't overcook it because it becomes mushy and yummy, and then you don't like it. You want it to have a bite to it. So we're just kind of starting to brown it. Okay. All right. Now we're going to add some chicken broth.
Okay.
Okay. So the chicken broth is going to help us with our sauce. It's also going to get all those little brown bits off the bottom and help to flavor everything.
So this is becoming the sauce.
Yes, so this is, it's one pan. It's a one-pan meal.
Good,
all right?
good.
So we're just going to kind of scrape off the bottom a little bit and bring that to a simmer.
Those brown bits you were talking about.
I know, this just comes together so fast, Brooke. It'll be perfect for your week. You guys got to add this to your menu.
It's on my menu.
You got to do it
right now.
Okay, so we're just going to bring that just up to a simmer. Now, the gnocchi takes like hardly any time.
Quick, right?
Yeah, it's super quick. So I'm just gonna open the package and we're gonna add it and bring it to a simmer.
Okay.
Okay, so here's a couple tricks about gnocchi. First off, it's really, really good.
And for those who don't know, potato-filled pasta.
It's a potato-filled pasta, okay? So you can make it from scratch. I've done it before. It does take some time.
I've done it before, and I vowed I would never do it again.
That's why I buy pre-made, is because I want this to be super fast. It has to be a fast recipe right now with the kids back in school and all of their activities. So you just put that in and bring it to a simmer.
Okay.
Literally just a few minutes and it's done.
Okay.
Okay. So you don't want to overcook the gnocchi. You want to just bring it right to where it's done. 2 minutes at most, I'd say.
And how do we know if it's done?
Well, it starts to get that soft texture. Okay. You want a soft texture, and then you're going to add a little bit of cream. All right.
We don't need as much as we think we do.
Don't need as much as you think, people.
Do we want as much as we think we want? Yes. Do we need it?
I would say
no.
third of a cup to a half at the most.
Okay.
Okay, and it was about a cup and a half of the chicken broth.
Okay, what else is going in there?
We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese.
Yum.
Because we want it to be creamy and cheesy.
Yep. And you cook with these a lot.
Oh my gosh, yes. So all I did for the chicken was do a little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and my lovely, lovely Garden Gourmet herbs. I keep these in my fridge at all times, and they're my go-to. And this is like the best marinade for chicken.
Awesome.
Just put it in, grill it, and you can top it with your gnocchi, just like we have right here.
That finished plate is calling our name. Early dinner,
So
maybe it could
good.
be lunch, but it came together so quickly as promised. All right, Wendy, you are awesome. You're always sharing dinner inspiration like this on your Instagram.
Yes, follow me on Instagram, Reasons to Bake. And I have lots of quick, easy meals like this. And then go to my website. I've got a new cookbook that has recipes that are just this good, as well as other things that you can choose from, like meal plans and other options to help you with your dinner routine.
She really has the busy mom in mind. Meal planning, healthy options.
Make it easy.
And make it delicious.
Yeah,
which you do every time. Thank you so much.
Brooke.
We'll link you over to all of those resources from our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe tab there at the top of our website screen.